Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to view your birthday on Telegram, even if you're using the latest version of the app. Many Telegram users don't realize they can easily check their birthday settings or even choose who can see them. The steps are quick and simple, so let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account and you're on the home screen where all your chats are. Once you're there, look at the top left corner. You'll see either a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture if you've set one. Tap on that. When the menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to your personal settings page, where you can manage everything from notifications and chats to data and privacy. Next, scroll down a little and tap Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find all the controls for how your information appears to others. Inside the Privacy and Security section, look for an option that says Birthday. Tap on it. Here you can see whether your birthday is currently added to your profile. If you already have one saved, it should appear right there. You'll also be able to edit it or make changes if needed. To make your birthday visible to others, choose Everybody. This means that anyone who visits your profile will be able to see your birthday details. It's a fun way to let friends and contacts know when your special day is coming up. Once you've selected your preferred visibility option, the changes save automatically. After you've done that, return to your profile to double-check that everything looks the way you want. You should now see your birthday clearly displayed whenever someone views your profile. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view and manage your birthday on Telegram. It only takes a few steps, but it keeps your profile personal and up to date. Thanks for watching. Thanks for